Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the 5 things that you need to know about the iQOO Z7 5G. Now before we get started, here's the pricing information. This phone is available in 2 variants. Base variant is priced at 19,000 rupees, comes with 6 plus 128GB variant. Next variant is priced at 20,000 rupees and it comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now the first thing to know is its performance. This phone sports a MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor with Mali G68MC4 GPU. These are the benchmark scores. Purely in terms of raw performance, this is the best phone under 20,000 rupees as of now, April 2023. More performance is always better in the long term. Next, this phone comes with a 6.38-inch AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner. As it's an AMOLED display, colors obviously look great, blacks are true blacks, brightness levels and sunlight legibility are really good, and most importantly, an in-display fingerprint scanner is always much more convenient than a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. This is definitely a kind of a premium feature. Now the third thing to know is that this phone comes with a very good form factor. In fact, this phone is slightly on the smaller side of the phones with a thickness of 7.8 mm, it weighs about 173 grams, and this phone also has IP54 water and dust resistance, which is once again another premium feature. Next, this phone also has pretty good cameras. On the back, we got a 64 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization with Samsung GW3 sensor. For selfies, we get a 16 megapixel camera. Now this phone is definitely missing wide angle camera and the macro camera, but the given cameras are definitely pretty good, especially that OIS feature is pretty handy. Next, there's a lot of talk about the proximity sensor about this phone. I'll say it works and it is definitely usable, and considering the rest of the aspects of the phone, it's not a major issue. Here's a quick preview of how the proximity sensor works. Next, this phone comes with just a single speaker at the bottom. So for people who are too used to seeing dual speaker phones, now that might be missing. With that said, single speaker phone is still usable, it's good enough for ringtones, alarms, and for watching videos as well. By the way, this phone is running the latest FunTouch OS 13 based on Android 13, and this phone will also receive 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security updates, which is definitely a pretty good thing. By the way, we also have the Poco X4 Pro as an alternative for this phone, but it's 1 year old, and you'll also get 1 year less of updates when compared to iQOO Z7. And looking at how the things are going on all around, security updates are definitely important. The longer you get it, the better it is. By the way, Vivo has recently launched the Vivo T2, which also comes with similar specs as the Z7, but with a Snapdragon processor. So if you want a Snapdragon version of the same phone, you can also consider the Vivo T2. So guys, that's it for this video. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.